Katrina and Jess from the agency. We're here at our brand new listing at Unit 5, 5 Protea Avenue, Norman Gardens. It's a great little unit. It's low set. It's 3 bedroom, 1 bath, fully renovated. You just need to come and have a look with us.
How fantastic is this kitchen? Fully updated, ready for you to cook in. It also runs seamlessly into your living and dining area.
If you're interested in viewing this gorgeous unit, just give myself, Heather or Jess a call today.